Hey folks, Scotty Sykes here one more time. I'm going to talk about the employee retention tax credit. Now, a lot of pharmacies probably are not going to qualify here, but there's going to be some of you that do. And this credit can be extremely powerful. There's a 2020 credit, a 2021 credit. You either have to have a government shutdown or be partially shut down due to a government restriction or some mandate, if you will, which a lot of pharmacies didn't have because you're required to stay open. But the partial shutdown could be an area of opportunity, but you need to work with advisors there to make sure because you don't want to abuse the system here. But the other area to qualify is if you have a reduction in gross receipts. For 2020, it's a 50% reduction, and you're comparing the quarter of, say, second quarter 2020 versus the second quarter of 19. And if you had a 50% drop in gross receipts over that period, you may be eligible in 2020. The credit for 2020 is up to $5,000 per employee for the year. So it could be a nice credit for some of you out there in 2020. Now, 2021 credit can be much more powerful. It's the same requirements to be eligible. However, the reduction in gross receipts goes from a 50% drop down to a 20% drop. So you only need a 20% drop in gross receipts from, say, a second quarter 2021 versus a second quarter 2019 to qualify. Furthermore, there are options. They give you options for 2021 to qualify that 20% drop in gross receipts. So you have more flexibility to qualify there as well. And last but not least here, the 2021 credit can be up to $7,000 per employee per quarter that you qualify. So this can add up really quickly for pharmacies out there. So if you've had a drop in gross receipts at your pharmacy, revenues is generally gross receipts, but there's some other things that count in that. But if you've had a drop in those gross receipts, you need to put your hand up and check into this. Feel free to ask us any questions on this. Be happy to help you. Ask Sykes at sykes-cpa.com. Thanks.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.